folks, and this is Ellie May. Ellie May. Ellie May. Right, now she is going to run the whole way around there, waves and all, guys. So, after this is the lowest off beach. As you can see, the lovely sea, all very foamy, and back to Eloise, barefooted, and the sand bloody kills. So, Eloise, look at...
I'm doing this because I love Ashley Neal.
Go for Ashley Neal. Run, darling, run! I'll look after your stuff if you die! Oh, waves, waves, waves! Oh, you're lucky there. Right, she's going round now, guys. I repeat, she is going round. Da 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 da. Boring! I'm back! You have to come back, Ellie! Where's Ellie gone? Ellie! Ellie! Stop. Wait! Ellie! Where are you? Ellie? Ellie! The waves are no friend today! Ellie! Where are you? Ellie? There she is! Oh, come on! Oh, I wanted you to run with all the waves with it! Look at that!
I was going to get drenched.
And?
If I brought a spare top or something, I would.
And are you now an Ashley lover?
I still love Ashley.